Welcome home to this move-in ready water view home located in the highly desirable 55 plus active adult community of Solivita. This home is perfectly located on a private lot with pond views of the beautiful water. Relax on the lanai as you watch the birds fly. The Hemingway floor plan is a community favorite as it features 2 bedrooms plus den, high ceilings, and a large kitchen boasting a breakfast nook with bay windows. This home also features an open dining area overlooking the living/family room. The living room leads to the covered, screened-in lanai with ceramic tiles. From the living room, master bedroom, and lanai, you see scenic water views. The master bedroom has 2 walk-in closets and master bathroom featuring dual sink vanities. Fall in love with a tile throughout the dining room and living room. Additional upgrades include new roof and HVAC in 2021, painted exterior in 2021, and the den has beautiful ceramic tile planks that simulate wood. Furniture is negotiable. Solivita offers endless amenities including 14 heated swimming pools, indoor pool and indoor walking track, state-of-the-art fitness centers, pickleball courts, lighted tennis courts, golf, community restaurants, and so much more. Convenient to shopping and major roadways. Call today to schedule your private showing.